Welcome to Gelous Nail Art Tutorials. Today I'm going to show you how to do a water effect in a hibiscus flower. Let's get into it. After completing your nail prep, apply a thin coat of base coat and cap the free edge. Cure for 60 seconds. Apply a thin coat of Milky pink builder gel and cap the free edge. This is called a slip layer. You don't want to cure this step. Apply a small bead of builder gel and push it towards the cuticle area, ensuring it does not touch the skin. Gently move the builder gel from left to right, working up the nail, then cap the free edge. Using your thin nail art brush, pull some builder gel up the nail as this will help even out the application. Alternatively, you can do 1 to 2 thin coats curing after each coat. Cure for 60 seconds. If your builder gel has bulked the free edge, gently file your nails back to shape. Apply nail polish remover to a lint-free wipe and thoroughly clean your nails. Apply a thin coat of Poolside and cap the free edge. Cure for 60 seconds. Apply a thin coat of Swan Lake and leave uncured. Using blooming gel in your big dotting ball, place bigger and smaller dots to create the water effect. Once you're happy with the blooming effect, cure for 60 seconds. Using Hot Girl Summer and your big dotting ball, paint 5 dots in a circular position. Using your small dotting ball, paint a dot on each side of the bigger ones. Using your thin nail art brush, paint a thin diagonal line from each dot towards the center. In each set of petals, join the dots together. Cure for 30 seconds. Using Whiteout and your thin nail art brush, paint a curved line from the middle of your hibiscus. Using your small dotting ball, paint 3 dots on either side of the line. Cure for 10 seconds. Apply a thin coat of top coat and cap the free edge. Cure for 60 seconds. Apply Gelous Cuticle Oil around your nails and rub into your skin to nourish and moisturize. Thanks for watching!